How to add new course on your Duolingo account. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To add new course on your Duolingo account, open your Duolingo app. Now here on top left hand side of the screen, you can see the country flag of the language that you are learning. So simply tap on it. And then here on top of your screen, you will see this icon, courses, so tap on it. Now simply select what you would like to learn. You can either learn music, math or some new languages. So simply select any of them you want. Here let me select music. So tap on the course that you want to learn and then tap on continue. Now you will see this question, do you have any music experience? So simply select your experience with this skill. As I am new to this skill, I will select I am new to music. So simply select it and then tap on continue. Now you will see this question, let's pick a starting point. So simply select the section that you want. So you will see your course divided into 3 different sections. So read it and select any of them wisely. Here, as I want to learn from basic, I will select section 1. And then tap on continue. Again tap on continue. So after this, you will see a certain crash course that you have to do before adding your skill to your Duolingo account. So to add the skill, you need to complete all of that. So simply complete it and the new skill will be added to your Duolingo account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.